laboratory test for carboxylic group or carboxylic acid. When the carboxylic or the organic compound containing carboxylic acid, in that solution you dip a blue colored litmus paper. That blue colored litmus paper gets converted into the red. Then you confirm that in that organic compound there is a presence of carboxylic group. That is blue litmus paper red. That is blue litmus paper red. It confirms that in that organic compound there is a presence of carboxylic group. This is the first test, laboratory test for what? That is carboxylic acid. The next test, that is the test, is the reaction with sodium bicarbonate. When the aqueous solution of that is organic compound which contains the carboxylic acid, in that you add a few drops of sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate, not bicarbonate, sodium bicarbonate. That times it gives the effervescence, or it gives the effervescence to that test, and that effervescence confirms that that is the presence of what? A carboxylic group. That is next laboratory test for the carboxylic acid is the ester test. When the mixture of the organic compound containing carboxylic acid and a ethanol is heated, and this mixture is transferred into the hot water, that gives that beaker containing hot water, that times that solution gives the sweet smell or the sweet fruit, that fruit smell, that gives a fruit smell. From that fruit smell you confirm that there is a presence of what? There is a presence of carboxylic acid functional group. This is the laboratory test for the carboxylic acid. Next chemical properties of carboxylic acid is the formation of what? That is acyl chloride, that is RC double bond OCl. That is, this RC double bond OCl is formed from what? That is carboxylic group, that is RCO double bond OH, that converts into the RC double bond OCl. In this reaction, when carboxylic acid is heated with PCl3, phosphorus trichloride, with PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride, and what? That is thionyl chloride, SOCl2. For the preparation of acyl chloride from the carboxylic acid, the SOCl2 is preferred. Where, I have to repeat that reactions, where carboxylic acid is heated with phosphorus trichloride, phosphorus pentachloride, or what? That is SOCl2, that is thionyl chloride, to give the what? That is acyl chloride, to give the what? Acyl chloride. In this reaction, the carboxylic acid of this carboxylic acid, that is hydroxyl group of the carboxylic acid, is replaced by chlorine. And the reaction is, first of all, we are going to react, or we are going to the reactions of the carboxylic acid, that is with the thionyl chloride. Okay, we prepare acyl chloride of the acyl chloride by the reacting with the thionyl chloride with the carboxylic acid. when carboxylic acid is heated with, when a carboxylic acid is heated with a thionyl chloride, is heated with what? A thionyl chloride, that is RC double bond OH. This is carboxylic acid. This carboxylic acid is heated with what? This SOCl2. With the what? This thionyl chloride. It gives a corresponding, that is RC double bond OCl plus, that is from this SOCl2, this one chlorine atom of this Cl2 is replaces this hydroxyl group and to forms a what? That is the acyl chloride. To forms what? That is acyl chloride, and this acyl chloride along with what? Remaining is what? This SO, and this one hydro oxygen forms a what? That is SO2. Forms a SO2 along with the what? This hydrogen and one Cl, that is HCl. This is the preparation. There is a heat is here. Okay, where a carboxylic acid is heated with a thionyl chloride to give a corresponding acyl chloride along with the sulfur dioxide gas and along with the hydrogen chloride gas or HCl gas, okay, which is also a gas. Okay, this is the reactions of thionyl chloride with the carboxylic acid and to give a what? That is the what? Acyl chloride. Next, reactions of carboxylic acid with PCl3, that is PCl3. When carboxylic acid, that is RC double bond OH, here is also what? That is the replacement of what? That is the hydroxyl group with what? A chlorine. Okay, this is the carboxylic acid, but in that reaction we take a what? That is 3 molecules of what? A carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. It is heated with what? That is PCl3. Is heated with what? A PCl3. To get converted to the formation of a carboxylic acid, RC double bond OCl. That is the formation of acyl chloride along with a, that is phosphorus hydroxide, that is POH thrice. Okay, this is the reaction of PCl3 with the carboxylic acid. Next, reactions of carboxylic acid with PCl5. With the PCl5. That is RC double bond OH. Carboxylic acid is heated with what? That is phosphorus pentachloride to give a corresponding, that is acyl chloride, RC double bond OCl along with a what? That is a, along with a formation of, along with the formation of PCl3 and what? That is HCl. This is the formation of what? Acyl chloride from the carboxylic acid. From the carboxylic acid. First of all, when carboxylic acid is reacted with a thionyl chloride, with phosphorus trichloride or with phosphorus pentachloride, that times it gives a acyl chlorides. That times it gives a what? Acyl chloride. When the carboxylic acid is treated with thionyl chloride to give a corresponding acyl chloride along with the sulfur dioxide and what? HCl. Then carboxylic acid is treated with what? Phosphorus trichloride to give a acyl chloride along with the phosphorus that is POH3. Then a carboxylic acid is reacted with a, that is phosphorus pentachloride to give a corresponding acyl chloride along with the PCl3 and what? That is the HCl. This is the formation of what? That is acyl chloride from the carboxylic acid. Next, reactions of carboxylic acid, that is reactions with ammonia. Reaction with what? Ammonia. Reactions with ammonia. When carboxylic acid is heated with ammonia to give a corresponding ammonium carboxylate salt, and this ammonium carboxylate salt is strongly heated, that times it gives a what? A corresponding amides. In this reaction, when ammonia is reacted with a carboxylic acid, that times it gives a amide. But these reactions forms an intermediate, and that intermediate it is known as what? That is the ammonium carboxylate salt, and this ammonium carboxylate salt is heated, strongly heated at high temperature to give a corresponding what? That is a corresponding amides, and the reaction is carboxylic acid RCOOH. It is heated with what? That is ammonia. This reaction is a reversible reactions, and two forms RC double bond O, ONH4 plus, and this O minus. This is the ammonium carboxylate salt. Ammonium carboxylate salt, and this ammonium carboxylate salt is heated, strongly heated, to give a corresponding amide, that is this ONA is gets converted to NH2, that is R3 double bond O and H2, that is the amides are formed in these reactions. Along with what? There is a formation of what? There is a byproduct, that is H2O. This is amide. This is amides. This is the reactions with a what? Reactions with ammonia. When carboxylic acid is heated with ammonia to give ammonium carboxylate salt, along with this ammonium carboxylate salt is strongly heated to give a corresponding amides. Next, reactions of carboxylic acid, that is the formation of anhydrides. That is a formation of anhydrides. Though that is two carboxylic group is bonded with the oxygen, that is known as what? That is anhydride. That is RC double bond O, O, C double bond O, R. This is the anhydride, and these anhydrides are formed from what? From what? That is carboxylic acids. That is RC double bond O, OH. That is from the carboxylic acid we prepare what? That is anhydride. That is the formation of anhydride. When carboxylic acid is heated with a strong dehydrating agent, that is P2O5 and a concentrated H2SO4. This is the dehydrating agent. It means what? That is, it removes the water molecule from that. Okay. When carboxylic acid is heated with that is heated with a strong dehydrating agent like P2O5 and concentrated H2O to give a corresponding what? To give a corresponding anhydride. In this reaction, we take two molecules of carboxylic acid, R C double bond O, O, H, and another is also a R C double bond O, O, H. It is the dehydrating reaction, that is we use a dehydrating agent like P2O5, and this reaction is a reversible reaction, that is P2O5 and removal of what? That water molecules, and that water molecules is removed from this is like this. H2O is removed and the remaining structure is so forms, that is RC double bond O, O, C double bond O, R. This is the anhydride, and this anhydride along with what? A removal of what? That is water molecules. This is carboxylic, that is acid. When carboxylic acid is heated strongly with a dehydrating agent, strong dehydrating agent P2O5 and concentrated H2SO4 to give a corresponding what? That is anhydride. This is the formation of what? That is anhydride from the carboxylic acid. For the better yield of anhydrides, these anhydrides are better yield of anhydrides is got from the what? When that is the sodium carboxylate is heated with a acyl chloride. That times it gives a better yield of what? That is anhydride, and the reaction is, that is sodium carboxylate is RCOO Na, sodium carboxylate, that is Na plus CO minus. Okay, this is a sodium carboxylate. The sodium carboxylate is heated with what? That is acyl chloride, RCOCl. This is acyl chloride. That times it gives a better yield. Okay, this is also a reversible. That is the reversible, not reversible reaction. It is a irreversible reactions. Okay, and that gives a what? A corresponding anhydride, RC double bond O, O, C double bond O, R, along with the byproduct as a NaCl. By using these reactions, we got a what? A better yield of anhydrides. When the sodium carboxylate is heated with a what? That is acyl chloride to give a corresponding what? Anhydride, and the yield of this anhydride is better than that of this reaction. This is the formation of what? That is anhydrides. Next, reactions. Is the reactions that is decarboxylation of carboxylic acid. Decarboxylation of carboxylic acid. D means what? That is to remove. What it is removed? That is carboxylic group is removed from the substrate. That reaction it is known as decarboxylation of carboxylic acid. When sodium salt of carboxylic acid is heated with a soda lime to give a corresponding hydrocarbons, to give a corresponding alkane, and this hydrocarbon is one carbon atom less than that of its corresponding carboxylic acid. The reaction is when what? Sodium salt of carboxylic acid, that is RC double bond O, ONA. This is the sodium salt of carboxylic acid. This sodium salt of carboxylic acid gets that is a decarboxylate with the what? A soda lime, that is it is reacted with NaOH. Soda lime in the presence of calcium oxides. Heat that mixture. That times it gives a corresponding what? That is the what? Only the hydrocarbons, that is RH. That is RH, and along with the byproduct is the what? The byproduct is Na2CO3 is given out as a byproduct. Sodium carbonate is given out as a byproduct. That is, this alkane is one hydrogen atom is less than that of this sodium salt of carboxylic acid. That is sodium. We are going to discuss about one example, that is of the decarboxylation of what? A carboxylic acid. That is sodium acetate when sodium acetate undergoes reactions with a soda lime, sodium acetate, that is CH3 C double bond O O Na. This is the general reaction. Okay, O minus Na plus. It is reacted with what? NaOH. In the presence of calcium oxide, heat that mixture. This this C double bond ONA, it gets converted to the hydrogen and to forms a what? That is methane, CH4, and as a byproduct is what? That is Na2CO3. This is methane is forms in this reaction. The substrate is containing what? That is how many carbon atoms? That is 2 carbon atoms, and the product is so forms that is only 1 carbon atoms. It means what? Whatever hydrocarbons are formed in this reaction, this hydrocarbon containing 1 carbon atom less than that of what? Its carboxylic acid. Okay, sodium acetate. This is a what? A formation of what? That is decarboxylation of carboxylic acid. Next reaction, that is the formation of a alcohol. That is the reduction of a carboxylic acid. Reduction of a carboxylic acid. When the carboxylic acid is reduced in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride to give a corresponding alcohol, and the reaction is that is carboxylic acid. That is a carboxylic acid is represented by that is RCOOH group, that is carboxylic acid. RCOOH. It is reacted with lithium aluminum hydride LiAlH4. It gets converted to the formation of RCH2OH. This is the alcohol, and in this reaction, that is the dry ether is used. Dry ether is used when carboxylic acid is reduced in the presence reduced with the lithium aluminum hydride in presence of dry ethers to give a corresponding alcohol. This reaction is a reversible reaction. This reaction is a reversible reaction. This is the formation of what? Alcohol from the carboxylic acid. This is the end of this chapter. That is, in that chapter we discuss about the chemical properties of aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid. We discuss about the methods of preparation of aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid. We discuss about the nomenclatures of aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. The whole, that is, we discuss the whole chapters of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid in detail in this chapter. Okay.